I mean, come on. Oh my God. Wow. Look all the way over there. All the way over here. Good Lord, we are surrounded.
Yeah, I wish this stuff was clear.
Well, hopefully one of these days it will be, you know. We gotta come back down this way, right? Well, we'll be going the opposite way though. Oh man. Well, when we come back to drop them off.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey guys, it is raining today here in Anchorage, Alaska, so we are going to do some indoor stuff, and at least until maybe later the rain stops and we can get out and do some other stuff. So we thought it'd be a good day to check out the Alaskan Heritage Center. So that's where we're at now, and we're going to go in and check it out.
Come here and check it out.
Yeah. Let's see.
Oh, this is cool, right?
Mm-hmm. Some dog collars, different ones. Oh, wow. Well, we thought we would do some inside stuff today, but apparently this is mostly outdoor stuff. So we are going to walk around the outdoor village here at the Heritage Center and check out some of the homes and stuff.
We're on the outer edge of the ring of fire, and so we have volcanic rock available to us, and we've used volcanic rock because when the flame goes out, this will radiate heat for about 4 to 6 hours. So this will give off quite a bit of heat. And so we would put seal oil in here and then light the seal oil. And then in this, you can see that there's a design of just a seal popping its head out of the water. And then the women in this region were known for their basket weaving. And so they could get anywhere from 800 to 2,500 stitches per square inch.
Wow.
And so these are watertight baskets. This is the beginning of a basket. If you go to the Hall of Cultures, you can see a finished basket. And so they would use bleach-dried grass because when this grass gets wet, it will actually expand. So it would help make the stitches even tighter, so it is 100% watertight. And they would also put this grass in between seams of stuff they wanted to be waterproof. So if any water were to get in the seams would not leak. And so these would take anywhere from a year to 2 years to make, depending on the size that you want. And then in this region, we hunted quite a bit of seal, and this is a hunting visor. We used hunting visors because seals can recognize our faces, human faces. So we hunt looking down like that. And so
Did you hear why is the hole that small?
Polar bears.
To keep the polar bears out.
Yeah, I heard that.
The men's house. What you got?
Walrus jawbone. A cup. That's pretty wild. Look at that. Still got some teeth in there.
Would you want to drink out of that?
I guess if you had to, you had to.
Yeah.
I understand the Canadian Inuit when they speak their language as well as Greenland. Greenland is about 3,000 miles across the world. Their ocean.
Okay, we're here at the Visitor Center in Anchorage. We're gonna go in and check it out. Pretty cool looking so far.
Excuse me, thank you.
Oops, sorry. Flowers are so beautiful.
We are going to go get some lunch at the F3 station, recommended by Jim Petruso 15 times. So it better be good, Jim. Alright, we are trying wild scoops here in Anchorage, Alaska. We saw this place from the A&K video and thought we would give it a shot.
Okay, we just got done walking around Anchorage this afternoon, and we had some lunch and some ice cream and did some shopping. So now we came down here to Earthquake Park, and we are going to walk around and check this out. So come along. As we're walking down this path to the park, this is actually located at the end of the airport, so all the airplanes are taking off and flying right overhead. Big ones and the seaplanes and stuff. So we'll show you some of that here in a little bit, but it's kind of cool. So if you follow the trail all the way to the end, or you can drive down to the end, it ends at the airport where the planes come in, and you can actually see them land. They fly right over top of you. This was pretty cool. We stayed down there for quite a while watching the planes come in over our heads. We tried to keep moving down to get directly underneath of a plane, but they all just kept coming in different directions, so it was hard to do. This was probably the closest we got to being actually right underneath. This is where we camped at for the next few nights, Eagle River Campground. It was a very nice campground. Apparently, the 2 days that we went out exploring, there was a moose walking through the campground, and then down at the nature center area, there was a mama bear and some cubs. Of course, we missed all that. Then we decided to do the Thunderbird Falls Trail, which was a very nice trail. You can walk out to see the falls, but then if you take the trail down to the river right here, we like that a lot better than the actual falls. You could just get really up close and personal with it. This is a river that runs beside the campground. And this is the inside of our truck after driving down these roads. And this is where we're going to end this one. So if you're wondering why it's ending at an airport, you have to check back next week.